Filipinas es un país maravilloso y único en su género.
Philippines is a Filipino people which is very kind and always smiling and trying to help.
It's a country of contradictions. You have rich natural resources, but you have poor people. You can see beautiful places, but you can see the dismal look in people's eyes.
La región de Bicol es una de las regiones más afectadas por tifones y huracanes. Es un poco la cuna de los tifones.
The Philippines is facing a lot of problems in terms of natural disaster, lack of water and sanitation, and food insecurity.
The country is full of potential that is yet to be fully utilized and yet undiscovered. But I must say that Philippines is a country that is worth all the efforts.